Let's talk about the instinct and relevance to the life coach. An instinct is an inborn, unlearned tendency to act in a certain way in response to a need or stimulus. An instinct is all of the following: an unlearned urge to achieve a certain aim, an inborn knowledge of how to achieve that aim, a pattern of behaviour in pursuit of that aim that is the same for all members of the species. Instincts are innate patterns of complex behaviour. They may be observed in animal species as fixed pattern responses to specific stimuli. For example, when a parent bird holds food in its beak above the beak of one of its nestlings, the young bird will tip back its head, flutter its wings, and open its mouth to receive the food. When it comes to human motivations, scientists doubt that there are any fixed pattern responses or instincts. There are, of course, reflex behaviours such as blinking, swallowing, coughing, and so forth, but these are not the same thing. While some psychologists may argue for the existence of a maternal or paternal instinct, the responses of mothers and parents vary considerably towards their newborns. Some may nurse their babies while others do not. Some may cuddle their babies whilst others do not, and so on. Many argue that the more advanced a species is, the less likely its behaviours will be governed by its genes. Therefore, most psychologists reject the notion of human instincts. However, Sigmund Freud did use instincts as a central concept to his theory of human behaviour, namely sexual and ego instincts. In his theory, instincts were presumed to act as motivators for human behaviour, but not specific behaviours. We shall discuss Freud's theory in more detail later in this lesson.